Hi everyone, this is Mario and I'm bringing you greetings from the beautiful city of Hanoi here in Vietnam. I'm on a seminar leg throughout the beautiful country. I just finished a seminar in Ho Chi Minh. It was a packed audience of about 200 pax. I rested for a couple of days in Ho Chi Minh and I'm right here now in Hanoi. I just finished the seminar yesterday, also to a packed audience of about 200 people. The people here are just so hungry to find out how currency trading can just help them not only in their personal lives but also in their business profession. You see, Vietnam is also considered a major importer and exporter in the world. And people in the seminar, they just wanted to find out how movements in the currency, especially against the US dollar, would be able to help them in their professional lives. Well, that aside, since I'm here in Vietnam, just want to give you some interesting facts, share with you a little bit of knowledge about what's happening in this country. Maybe I'll just start off with the Vietnamese dong, right? Let me just pull out some currency notes and show it to you. Now, this is, I'm going to show you what a Vietnam dong looks like, okay? So, this is the biggest note, all right? This is a 500,000 note, right? Yes, that's 500,000. And based on the exchange rate, I think $1 is about 20,000 USD. So this is, I think, maybe like $100. 100,000 is maybe $5. So it's not even 100 bucks. I think it's like 25 US dollars. This is the biggest note I have so far. So this is the Vietnamese currency. I'll talk a little bit about the currency in a while. Maybe I also just want to share with you a little bit about the Vietnamese economy, right? When I was interviewed by a couple of media here in Vietnam, and I shared with them basically just how the economy of Vietnam is doing. All right, and I want to give you a snapshot of how the economy is doing here as well. Okay, so basically today is the 1st of July. Now, what happened in the second quarter in April, May, and June? All right, what we call the in Q2, second quarter, the Vietnamese economy basically expanded about 4.6%. Now, is that considered good or bad? Well, if you compare it to what happened last year, right? Last year it expanded 4%. So in the same period of Q2, the expansion of 4.6% was about 0.6% better than last year. That's point number one. Point number two, all right, here's an interesting fact. I just picked up a copy of the Vietnamese news, right? And I was reading the Prime Minister. Let me see whether I get his name correct, okay? His name is called Nguyen Thanh Dung. Hope I pronounced that correctly, okay? Now, the Prime Minister said for this year, he's targeting expansion for the entire year of 2012. He's targeting an expansion for GDP about 6%. But he did go on media to say if it comes in between 5.6 to 5.8%, he would be really happy, okay? Now, let's talk about the general economy in Vietnam as a whole. All right, as an emerging economy, this country is famous, or rather where investors are pouring into the sectors like food, manufacturing, infrastructure, IT and energy. These are some of the more, how should I say, emerging sectors, right? So investors all around the world, these would be the few sectors in Vietnam that they would be looking to invest in. Now let's come to the final topic. Just want to share very quickly about the Vietnamese dong. Don't know if you guys are aware, but basically last year in early February, the government devalued the Vietnamese dong by about 7 to 8%. Now they did that essentially to close the trade deficit, all right, with some of its trading partners all around the world. You see, when the government does that, it has an effect of increasing imported inflation, simply because, all right, their currency is weaker. So when the government devalues the currency, it does have an effect of helping the exporters, but some of the importers will be feeling some of the heat. In fact, just this year alone, in the year 2012, right, the government has already dropped about 4 percentage points from the interest rates, right, all in the hope of helping the export sector. Right, you might be interested to know that Vietnam is actually the world's largest producer of black pepper. It is the world's second largest exporter of rice after Thailand. And in Southeast Asia, it is the second largest, or rather the third largest oil producer. So all in all, it's a great economy. In fact, I think for the second half of this year, it should perform better than China and India. Okay, so that's a snapshot of the Vietnamese economy. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Now, for more updates, please log on to my website, mariosingh.com. All right, we can get updates about certain countries. More importantly, how you can use this information to help you in your trading. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.